Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about a seat belt, how you put it on so it's safe in the event of a crash. So on your vehicle on every side you'll find a seat belt. This is the seat belt. It's made from polyester and woven material. It is about 48 millimeters in width. Over here you have your pre-tensioners. You have one on every side where there's a seat belt. On the pre-tensioner you will clip on your seat belt very easily and you will adjust it. Your seat belt should not be on your tummy, it should be below your tummy. Make sure your seat belt is not over your shoulder but in this angle rather. On your vehicle, if you do not wear a seat belt, some cars will tend to show you the seat belt signal. So this is the incorrect way of using a seat belt, where you literally just clip in the seat belt and you sit. The seatbelt sign will not flash because you clicked in the seatbelt. But however, the seatbelt is completely useless at this stage because it will not help you in the event of a crash. Even if the seatbelt is clipped in like this and you sit and you pull it up like that, it is still not useful. The seatbelt will not help you at this stage. So you have to make sure it goes all around your tummy and against your chest, so that it can be useful in the event of a crash.
Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content.